Welcome everybody to Autosport Designs. Today we'll be driving this 2014 Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. This thing has a $152,000 sticker. It's a very well optioned truck. We're going to go for a ride. We're going to tell you a little bit more about it. We'll see you on the road. So here we are inside the Cayenne Turbo S. Going to do a little cold start. It's pretty quiet. Now I did switch the suspension setting to sport. I like that lower aggressive look. So we're in that setting now. We're in the S, so everything's covered in leather dash, wheel, seats, obviously. Getting in this car, I feel like this is like a one-car solution. It does kind of everything right. It looks the part. It has a great sound. Drives phenomenally, as you guys are going to see in a moment, and looking forward to showing you. So we'll see you on the road. It's very tame when you want it to be, but when you want to open it up, it's got more than enough power to propel you along. 550 horsepower, very capable trucks. So when I say one car solution, want to drive a 911 every day, but maybe your lifestyle isn't conducive to that, or you want to drive a sports car every day, well, this is your opportunity. This is a 2014. We're showing just under 25,000 miles. So we're driving a virtually new Cayenne Turbo S. When I'm in this Turbo S, I feel like I'm in something special. And I think that's great. It's a really, in my opinion, classy spec. These sports seats, which are fully adjustable, hold me in, hold the passengers in. Back seat has lots of room. Rear cargo area has lots of room. Going just panning back. Oh. And if you want to pan up too, we have this awesome panoramic roof, which on a spring day or summer day, pop that open. It's awesome. So we're going to do a couple of flybys, just so you guys can hear the exhaust outside, and we will be with you shortly. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed those flybys. I think this is a great value. Stickers over $150. We have a picture of that available, and that's in the photo gallery as well. I think it's important to remember it's not a Cayenne, it's not a Cayenne S, it's not a Cayenne Turbo, it's a Turbo S. You're getting a virtually new truck that was owned by a collector and good friend of Autosport, virtually as new. We're gonna head over to the farm road, click it back into sport mode. That's gonna change the steering wheel feel, the suspension feel, the transmission shift points, and give you that sports car feeling. Here we are on the farm road. Just gonna give it a little speed. And those brakes are also everything you would expect Porsche brakes to be. It's a great all-around vehicle. If you're looking for a daily driver, or if you've got a 911 that you don't want to drive every day, I think this is the next best thing. It's a Turbo S. It's special. So we appreciate you guys watching. We really enjoy making these videos. You can find us on Instagram at Autosport Designs. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Ciao. Of course.
I'm a
yeah.
sailor! I'm sailing!
I'm sailing. Done. Next stop, Lake Winnipesaukee.